We are here to introduce you to the powerful new tools for photo editing. We have created some very innovative Photoshop actions and collected them in different panels, each of them with specific characteristics. In this way, you will always find the right tool to face any photographic situation and get the desired result in the shortest time possible. Each panel contains several specific workflows and actions, collected in a graphical layout that was designed to dramatically reduce your interaction with Photoshop's complex interface, saving you a lot of time. In a few moments, you can get the incredible creative results that normally only an experienced post-production photographer could achieve. You can create rays of light and cinematic glow, or blur the background of the subject. You can fix your portrait with the eyes in focus and a flawless complexion, optimize your photo for the web for perfect viewing, and much more. Our extraordinary actions can be fully customized to satisfy even the most demanding photographer.